Show you how to use a manual, non-electric breast pump, step by step. This type of pump is simple, quiet, and perfect for moms who want a portable and easy option without electricity. First, make sure all the pump parts are clean and properly assembled. A clean pump helps keep your milk safe and healthy for your baby. Next, gently place the pump over your breast, making sure it feels comfortable and secure. Slowly press the handle to begin expressing milk. Use a steady, relaxed rhythm. There's no need to rush. As you pump, the milk flows directly into the attached bottle. Once you've collected enough milk, you can safely remove the pump and close the bottle. Now, this expressed milk can be fed to your baby using a bottle. Bottle feeding with pumped milk is a great way to make sure your baby gets all the nutrition they need. Always remember to clean the pump after every use and store breast milk according to safety guidelines. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mom-friendly tips. You're doing amazing. See you in the next video.